So Miss Cleo is doing very, very well. And she has been in the house. Oh, she is not happy about being up on my lap right now. She's been in the house for almost a month now. The guesstimation is that she fractured her back, but she is getting better and standing lots and walking. And one of the things when a chicken can't be outside foraging, their little beaks don't get filed off, and so she's got a big tooth. One of the things that I feel important to do is to cut that little tooth, and so I want to take you through the process to show you how to clip your chicken's beak. Oh, you're just so talkative. You are so talkative. Okay. You stop being a Miss Fuss Budget. So one important thing to do with your chicken is to make a chicken burrito. So you want to take your towel, and you can lay it down on the floor and then wrap your chicken. But this is just to prevent them from flapping up at you and hitting you in the face with their wings. So I've got my little burrito chicken here. You want to have really good, sharp, kind of toenail clippers. And then you're going to take your chicken, hold it very gently, no gripping, just gently, because you're just using it as a guide. And then you're going to make sure that you cover over their eyes. You also could use a cloth. I'm stabilizing her head within my fingers gently. And then I'm going to clip the beak. There's the first clip. And then, as I've gone on this side, I'm going to kind of go onto the other side here, which is a little harder for me to see, so that you can see the camera, again, getting underneath there. Because she can't see, it doesn't give her the opportunity to anticipate what I'm doing. So there we go, the other one. Good, and then just a little teeny tiny clip in the middle. So we have a little bit of a point. Oh, there we go. Oh, well, that's so much better. Your tooth is fitting better. There you go. You got a nice clipped tooth. Well, so quick and easy to clip that little extra tooth off, and so that it's not hanging down, because that will distort her beak. Are you going to say goodbye, Cleo? Oh, that's better. Is that better? Anyway, I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care. God bless.